Hey, you guys mind if I get a picture of you?
Sure.
Right on. There we go. Here we go, guys. Cheese up. One more shot here since we're all playing along. Right on. Appreciate it, guys. As you can see here, guys, this is what we're working with. I don't have the vest on today. I had to go do some work, so I've got the backpack tripod, and I don't have the GoPro vest on. So this is what I think it's a little less intrusive, just kind of walking and clicking like that. So we'll see what we come up with. I got this lady again.
Good to see you. Twice in one day. Stressful time. Stressful time.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, Dick. All right, guys, getting things started. We're at 1/500th of a second, f8. We're at auto ISO, maxed out at 3200. We have our snap focus on, set at 1.5 meters. I think I like the 1.5 meters. I keep going back and forth, but 1.5, I think I'm sticking with that. Highlight weighted, very important. I edit everything in Lightroom, and so highlight weighted isn't a problem. I usually have to bring everything up, but that's what we're dealing with. How you doing, man? Hey, I take street photography. Can I take a picture of you?
Sure.
Got a good look just standing there minding your own business? Let me get over here this way. Here we go, right here. Okay, go ahead and take it. Get a drag off that cigarette.
Huh?
Okay, go ahead and take a drag off that cigarette. Let me.
Great.
Let's blow that out there. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Oh, the scooter. So we'll walk on back. Lots of people out, so it makes it easy to get those shots, but you know, I don't really consider this street photography, more like just walking and having fun with my camera. That's what I like to do, and it doesn't really matter to me what other people think about it, what they want to call it. Street portraits, street crap, doesn't matter to me. I enjoy doing it. Got a lady coming across the street, might as well slide on over here, get her. Let's see, what would be the best place? I want to get her when she walks up there. So comes a dude here. Not really sure. Sure. Okay, guys, that is going to do it for today. We certainly do appreciate you tuning in, checking things out, and we'll be back next Wednesday for more Ricoh Wednesday. Please share, please like, please subscribe, and we'll get more happening for you. All right, guys, until then, so long, everybody.